always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on!
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. We've been waiting for you.
Mr. Goose, we've been waiting for you.
For me?
Yes, to tell us the letter of the day.
Oh, of course. Let's check the letter board. Today's letter is L. L makes the sound L in ladder. Monkey, repeat after me. L, L, ladder.
Ladder.
Now you try.
Ladder.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Monkey, you can stop repeating what I say.
But lovely also begins with L. Lovely.
Well done, Monkey. And here are more things that begin with L.
Leaf. Leaf. Ladder. Ladder. Lamp. Lamp. Lion. Lion. Ladybug. Ladybug.
What letter do all these words start with?
L.
That's right, the letter L.
Hi, It's me, Pig. Let's do a letter dance. Say L.
L.
All right, say it again.
L.
Groovy. Let's dance.
Letter L, letter L. What's that letter? Letter L. Every letter makes a sound. What's this sound? Let's break it down.
Get down.
Lemon. Lamp. Lion. Laugh. That's the letter L. Oh yeah, that's the letter L.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
L.
Groovy. I love dancing together. Bye.
letter L, letter L. What's that letter?
Hey everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you too.
Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
I.
What's this letter?
J.
What's this letter?
L.
What's this letter?
T.
Now let's do it fast.
I. J. L. T. J. I. T. L. I. T. J. L. I. J. L. T.
Nice work, everybody!
That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name. The letter T.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called The Drawing Game. I wonder how you play that game. Well, let's find out together. Let's begin. The Drawing Game, written by Anita Murthy, illustrated by Ajanta Guhathakurta. Jenna is spending her summer holidays at her grandma's house. She has no friends here. She is bored. "Play with me, Grandma," she says. Grandma says, "Go get a piece of chalk. Let's play a game." Jenna is excited. What game will Grandma play? Grandma draws a shape. "Can you guess what this is?" she asks. "It is a circle." Jenna makes a face. This does not seem like a game. "Yes, but it is also something more," says Grandma. Jenna thinks. Then she smiles. "It is a smiley face," Jenna says. Grandma claps. "You understand the game." "Look at what I have drawn," says Jenna. Grandma draws another shape. "A triangle," Jenna shouts. Then she laughs. "Look what I have made." "Well done, Jenna," says Grandma. Grandma draws more circles and triangles. "Look who has come to play with us." Grandma draws a shape with 4 sides. "Is it a rectangle?" Jenna asks. "Look carefully," says Grandma. "It is a special kind of rectangle. All the sides are the same length." "It is a square," shouts Jenna. "Look, Grandma, I have turned it into a window." "Do you want a tree near your window?" asks Grandma.
Yes, Grandma, thank you, says Jenna. Jenna looks at all the chalk drawings. Now she wants to paint them. Soon Jenna holds up her painting. Oh my! I see so many circles and triangles and squares, says Grandma. Yes, but they are also something more, says Jenna. It is a bird flying to its home in a tree. And guess who is coming to lunch? Her best friend, Mr. Giraffe. That's so clever, Jenna, Grandma exclaims. Jenna wants to draw some more. What do you think Jenna and Grandma draw next? The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing Wheels on the Bus. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me, okay?
Okay!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Now sing along with me. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town.
The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah.
The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. The babies on the bus say wah, wah, wah. All through the town.
One more. The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry.
The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry. Don't you cry. Don't you cry. The mommies on the bus say, don't you cry. All through the town.
Well done! Thank you for singing with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog!
Goodbye!
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again. Which poodle is pink? There it is! Pink poodle. Which dress is pink? There it is! Pink dress. Which umbrella is pink? There it is! Pink umbrella. Which yarn is pink? There it is! Pink yarn. Sensational!
Hi, Fox! What are you doing? I'm making patterns. Ooh, patterns? Goody! What are patterns? They're designs that repeat. Look! Star, heart. Star, heart. Star, heart. Star. What comes next? I'm not sure. A heart. Let's say the names of the shapes together. Star, heart. Star, heart. Star, heart. Star, heart. Oh, I see the pattern. I hear it too. Star, heart. Right. Oh, can I help you make another pattern? Sure. Let's make another pattern with these same shapes. Heart, star, heart. Heart, star, heart. Heart, star. What comes next? Heart! You got it! Let's say it together. Heart, star, heart. Heart, star, heart. Heart, star, heart. What's the pattern? Heart, star, heart. Oh, that's it. Oh, can I make a pattern? Sure. My pattern is going to use shapes and colors. Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star. Do you know what comes next? A green heart. That's it! All together! Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star, green heart. Can I borrow your glue stick, please? I want to glue these down. Sure. Here you go. Thank you. Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star, green heart. All done! Do you want to make another pattern? No, I want to go and tell Miss Panda. Miss Panda! Miss Panda! I made a pattern! Bye, Hedgehog! See you later! Bye, friends. See you later, too. Look what I see! A wiggle bug! Let's watch it bounce. Let's pretend to be wiggle bugs too. A blingy 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 bling. Blingy blingy. Hello, little wiggle bug. I think it's asleep. Bye.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.